Happy birthday. Happy birthday, honey. Hi, little Roman.
Caleb, give baby Roman
Alan.
a kiss. Give him a
And
kiss.
cousin Caleb.
Caleb, give the baby a hug. You haven't seen him yet. Say hi.
And it's Olivia. Hi, Olivia.
Give him a kiss.
Hi, sweetie.
Aww.
Oh, I missed the kiss. You have to do it again. You only do it once, right?
Olivia, have you met the baby?
That's
Have
okay.
you met the baby? Your cousin Roman? Come give him a kiss. Come on. Come give him, Alan, give your cousin Roman a kiss.
Oh, that was cute.
He hasn't really met you
Marcus,
guys
whose
yet.
birthday is it?
He hasn't really met you guys yet.
Well, be nice to that, would you?
Olivia, come give the
Hey,
baby a kiss.
Marcus.